welcome to our kickoff video for the summer reading program, Tales and Tales. I'm Miss Carly.
I'm Miss Silvana.
And we're joined today by our very special guest, Mayor Orsborn. Thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me here. I love the summer reading program, and I have great memories of that. Growing up as a kid, we grew up in Glendale, went to the Velma Teague Library in downtown Glendale, and so we would do swim team in the morning and then reading program during the day, and we tried to read as many books as we could so that we could get as many points as we could and get that award at the end of summer.
That's awesome.
So tell me a little bit about how we're doing that here in the city of Buckeye.
All right. Well, families of all ages, from babies to grandparents, can sign up for the summer reading program at maricopacountyreads.org. Make sure you select the Buckeye Public Library, and you can earn 1 point for every minute that you read on your own or as a family.
Cool. The goal is to reach 1,000 points to earn your free book by the end of summer.
That's right. And another way to earn points is with our summer reading kits.
Yes.
For our youngest library users, we are excited to introduce early literacy to your little ones 0 to 3 with our Baby Time at Home kits. Get ready to have fun with music and movement each week with a variety of activities and weekly videos to demonstrate ways to engage your child. Each kit contains weekly literacy tips, a scarf and shaker egg, Ring of Rhymes early literacy cards, and your very own board book, thanks to the Friends of the Buckeye Public Library. For kids ages 4 to 11, get ready to fill your summer days with fun activities and fascinating facts about a variety of animals with the Grab and Go activity kits. Each kit contains an engaging activity packet with recommended books, vocabulary, and fun imagine, learn, and play games, and a weekly themed activity, supplies to do the weekly activities, and a book from the Friends of the Buckeye Public Library.
A special thank you to our Friends of the Buckeye Public Library and Arizona State Library for sponsoring these free kits. Kits can be picked up at the Downtown Library, the Coyote Ranch Library, or the Bookmobile. Visit our website for hours and locations.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm so excited to get kids excited about reading and learning. A lot of times the mayor's office and the council will issue a proclamation on things that we think are very important. This is one of those things, and I'd like to read that for you right now, if I can.
That would be great.
All right. This is City of Buckeye Proclamation, Public Library System 2021 Summer Reading Program, Maricopa County Reads Tales and Tales, June through July Summer Reading Months. Whereas Maricopa County Reads is an award-winning online summer reading program provided by the Maricopa County Library District to all public libraries within the Maricopa County, and whereas the aim of the program is to reinforce the literacy skills and positive reading habits of all residents during the summer months, and whereas to promote lifelong reading habits by encouraging everyone to read 20 minutes a day every day, and whereas through community experiences, library events, and reading challenges, participants earn digital badges and points to earn prizes and build their home libraries with a free book from Maricopa County Library District. Now, therefore, be it resolved that I, Eric W. Orsborn, Mayor of the City of Buckeye, do hereby proclaim June through July as the official 2021 Summer Reading Program months for the Maricopa County Reads Tales and Tales, and encourage Buckeye residents of all ages to visit their public libraries and to participate in the 2021 reading program Tales and Tales. Given under my hand in these free United States in the City of Buckeye on the first day of June 2021, and to which I have caused the seal of the City of Buckeye to be affixed and have made this proclamation public. Signed, Eric W. Orsborn, Mayor.
That's awesome. Thank you so
Great.
much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for joining us today, Mayor Orsborn. And thanks again to our friends for sponsoring the kits and for all the volunteers who helped assemble the kits.